The other day, Japan was hit by Typhoon Khanun, which originated in the Philippine Sea. This forced the U.S. Air Force to put 4th and 5th generation fighter jets into hangars at Kadena base. Tugs from the 18th Aircraft Maintenance Squadron and 354th Aircraft Maintenance Squadron worked hard to hide the F-35A Lightning II and F-15 Sea Eagle fighters. The decision to move the aircraft was made due to the U.S. Air Force's desire to protect them from high winds. After the typhoon ended, personnel worked around the clock to get the fighter jets back on the runway. Everyone here was prepared for typhoon season, so Hanun didn't take anyone by surprise. The timely provision of parking spaces for F-35A and F-15C is part of the military airbase's commitment as part of efforts to promote peace and stability in the Indo-Pacific region.